Hey guys, it's Naporsha, aka Skylar Lake Bay, and I'm gonna show you guys a watch me work video. I do nails on the side sometimes, so we're gonna start. So right here, you see me taking shine off of the natural nail using a 180 grit sanding band and my Melody Suzy drill. The tips that I'm using here are the Mia Secret Royal Square tips. Love them. I learned this trick from Instagram where if you flip the hand towards the client and put the tips on that way, you can make sure that they're not crooked from the client's view. And I do that when I know one of my clients has a crooked finger or a nail that's on the bed crooked, so I can make sure that it looks perfectly fine for them. And if you notice, I only show you guys one hand while in this video, while filming this video rather. And the file that I'm using is the 100 Pana file. I got that recommendation from Sydney Alexis. I don't really like the file, so you guys won't see them anymore in my videos. They're kind of flimsy and I'm completely heavy-handed, so it didn't really work for me. And right here you see me pin a thin layer of clear down on the base of the nail. I do this because it helps prevent lifting, because colored acrylic does have a tendency to lift faster than actual clear acrylic. And the acrylic that I'm using is Mia Secret. As you can see, the clear and the monomer is also Mia Secret. The colors I'm going to use today are Mauve from Shop Plugged, and I'm also using a custom glitter mix that I made myself with just some random glitters that I got from Walmart. And I'm using Cover Peach from Young Nails. Those are the only three colors that I'll be using today. I will be using a gold heart decal that I got. Well, it's not a decal, it's like actual gold kind of tin type of heart. I got that from Natalie Kimona. I think that's how to say her name, Kimona. I got it from her website a while ago when she had everything open. I think she does have stuff open now, so if you guys want to go shop, you definitely can. Just go to her YouTube or her Instagram. Her Instagram is GetNailed32. I know that because I watch her videos all the time. As you can see, I zoomed in. So I did an ombre on the pinky with the mauve and the Cover Peach, and now I'm doing a not an ombre, but what do you call those things? A marble. I'm doing marble with clear and the mauve, which turned out super cute, by the way. And on the pointer finger right here, I am doing mauve, and then I'm gonna do a glitter mix, the one that I spoke about earlier with the mixed glitter that I got from Walmart earlier. We didn't like it, so I ended up taking it off and making this finger fully nude. And like I told you, the nude that I'm using is Cover Peach by Young Nails. So ended up taking all that off at the end of the towards the end of the video. You'll see how I took it off, or it might actually be in the next clip. I'm not really sure. I haven't watched the video all the way through yet. So we took it off and used Cover Peach by Young Nails. And like I said, it was cute. However, it didn't really match the vibe that we were going for. So yeah, on the ring finger, that's where I do a clear nail, but it has the glitter mix, and that's it. And the glitter mix is super cute, really cute. I love it. And I do encapsulate each of these nails with the clear because I like for my nails to have a certain thickness to it, especially once they reach a certain length. Not super thick, like, oh my god, these nails are super thick. Not like that type of thick, but thick enough to where my client can hit it and it won't break, in a sense. On the thumb, I do an ombre, just like I did on the pinky, and it looks flawless. Like, oh my god, and I go ahead and I encapsulate literally everything as I'm doing it. Because like I said, I want everything to have a certain thickness to it. And as you can see, I am flipping the nail back and forth, so I can actually see any lumps or bumps, or if I need more acrylic in one place than another. And I didn't show the finger where I took off the I didn't show how I put the nude onto the other finger, so I did include a clip from the other hand so you guys can see. I did the all nude nail, and then I used the gold heart, and I did put the heart upside down to give it a different type of vibe, which was super cute, super freaking cute. Oh, sorry, that notification there. As you can see where I mixed it up. So actually I used a iridescent glitter from Young Nails. It was an iridescent fairy glitter, I believe. And then I used a little bit of gold from Walmart. It's like a little pack of glitter that I got from Walmart a while ago. And I thought I only showed you guys one hand, but I guess I showed you both. Sorry I'm a little quiet. I'm actually watching a video right along with you guys. And sorry I didn't zoom back in once we started this clip, because I completely forgot. And I don't even think I noticed that I didn't zoom all the way back in. But as you can see, I'm encapsulating. This is my first nail video, so guys, please don't judge me. Oh, there we go, zooming in. This is my first nail video that I was able to actually record. So I do see all the mistakes, and I will be getting better. Please just bear with me. However, you do get to see. And I've only been doing nails for a year. So, and this is just acrylic laid. That view that I just showed you, that was just the acrylic that I've laid. And I am self-taught. My hair does keep getting in the way, and sorry you keep seeing my big old head and my glasses all in the frames. Sorry. Like I said, eventually I will get the correct view. And once again, these nails are square. The file that I'm using is a Pano 100/100 grit. And you know how a lot of people like to use their drill to go across the nail and get all the dips out. However, I prefer to use the hand file because I can be more precise, and I'm not, as I said, I've only been doing nails for a year, so I'm not that experienced with keeping my drill moving, aside from when I'm going across the cuticle, which you will see. I do believe I include a clip of me actually sealing the cuticles, but I prefer to use the hand file because I have way more control. The drill bit that I'm using is a comb bit from Pana, and I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I really love it. I believe it's a fine bit. Love that bit so much. Love it. And by the way, the nails that I'm doing is my best friend, so if it seems a tad bit unprofessional, that's probably why it's giving you unprofessional vibes. It's because we've been friends for over 10 years. So please excuse that. As you can see, I go around the cuticle with this bit. I don't use another bit. I only use this one. I also like to clean up the side walls using that, and clean under the nails and make sure There's nothing hanging off the sides. I go in and I buff. These are some buffers that I got from Amazon. So yeah, I feel the nails, make sure there's no bumps, no ridges, and I look at it from both sides, and I also clean up both sides of the nail. I literally do, that's one of my pet peeves, is to have things hanging off the nail. And also, like, for my clear nails, I make sure there's no clear acrylic stuck to the bottom. This is the view before I start painting. Then I put everything up while she's going to wash her hands. I put everything up, and then I do some bling on the glitter nails to give it a little bit more oomph. I only put like maybe 5 jewels. It was really cute. The wax stick I got from Amazon. The jewels I also got from Amazon as well. I'm using my Zulay nail adhesive. I love that stuff. As you can see, my little jar is like effed up. So yeah, I just ordered a new one. Literally just ordered a new one. And I do use the Hurry Up spray to make sure my jewels dry faster. The top coat, I would literally use any top coat. I got that top coat in a little kit that I had got from Beetles. I believe that's the brand. Also from Amazon. I like it. It leaves the nails glossy. I'm not too picky. So yeah, the cuticle oil I also got from Amazon. It has like this honey scent, and it smells so good. You're gonna see me put down my little fur so I can start taking pictures. So yeah, you're gonna see all my little views and how I like to do it. Please comment down below, like and subscribe, and if you really like my video, please turn on your little post notifications. Bye.